Hello and welcome to the Modern Bong. So guys, this is a Namkeen recipe of sweet potato or Ranga Aloo, which is quick and delicious as well. Without wasting our time, we will be moving towards the recipe. So at first we will need 1 cup of grated sweet potato, which is Ranga Aloo. Then we will need some green chilies as per your taste. I take 2 to 3 pieces. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, which we will bruise later, 1 piece diced onion, and 1/4 cup of soaked chickpeas. Moving towards the masalas, we will need some chicken masalas, some pachforon, some red chili powder, which is lal guro lonka, and some turmeric powder, which is holud guro. Now add some oil or ghee to the hot pan and let it to be hot. Then add 1 teaspoon of pachforon, some bruised garlic, some diced onions, and roughly halved green chilies. Sort it in the oil. Then add the grated sweet potato, which is Ranga Aloo. Incorporate all very well. Then add turmeric powder, red chili powder, chicken masala, noon or salt, and some sugar. You can totally skip the sugar as the sweet potato is already sweet in taste. Then add the soaked chickpeas and incorporate all very well. Simmer it for about 5 minutes with its lid. Don't forget to stir it often to avoid sticking at the bottom. The consistency should be not so runny and not so thick. Stir it often. Remember not to add any water to it. Add some ghee or butter before turning off the gas. It's totally optional, you can skip it. And yeah, it's ready. And you can serve it hot. You can pair it with roti, parata, or rice. I took it with roti, some chola dal, and shujir halwa at today's tiffin. Enjoy!